In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize collapsible text in the Wix editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to use this feature to manage your website's content more effectively, making it both user-friendly and visually appealing. To begin, let's open the Wix editor. Once you've navigated to your site's editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find several icons that give you various options for customizing your site. Among these options, you'll see an icon labeled Add Elements, represented by a plus sign. Click on this icon to open a menu with different elements you can add to your page. Now, focusing on adding text, select the text option from this menu. Under this section, you'll see an option for collapsible text. This feature is incredibly useful for saving space on your page, while still providing important information to your visitors. Click and drag the collapsible text element onto your page and place it where you'd like it to appear. With the collapsible text box now on your page, it's time to customize it to fit your specific needs. Clicking on the text box will reveal editing tools, and what we're interested in is the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to open the settings panel, where you'll find different customization options. In the settings panel, you'll see a section labeled Layout. Here, you can decide how your text will be presented when users visit your site. You have two primary options to choose from, each with its own unique function. The Expand option allows you to display a set number of text rows initially, followed by a Read More button. When a visitor clicks this button, the rest of the text expands directly on the same page, providing a seamless viewing experience. Alternatively, if you prefer to direct your visitors to a different page or section for more detailed content, the Follow Link option is ideal. This setting turns the Read More button into a link, guiding users to another part of your site where they can access the full content. This is perfect if you have in-depth articles or additional resources hosted on separate pages. Now, let's personalize the content within your collapsible text box. Double-click on the box, and you'll be able to type directly into it. Start with a brief version of your message that you want visitors to see at first glance. This should be engaging enough to encourage a click on the Read More button. Once you've captured their attention, enter the full content that will be unveiled once the button is clicked. Congratulations! You've successfully added and customized a collapsible text box in Wix. This subtle yet powerful tool is now ready to enhance your website by providing a clean and efficient way to display information, keeping your visitors engaged and informed without overwhelming them. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy editing!